Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of a boat headset, which is BassHeads 900. I've bought it from Amazon. I'm gonna make the unboxing of this particular headset. So let's begin to this and let's do the unboxing now. And here comes the headset, and the packing looks very good, which is a very light one, which has like multi-function, where it has the inbuilt mic and it has one touch access, like one touch hands-free access, where if you're getting a call you can just use the mic button and immediately you can answer the call. If you like to cut the call, you can just press the button and cut the call. And it has a mic in the headset where it gives you very comfort while talking on the phone, and while like gymming or jogging, it gives a very good comfort. And it's a very lightweight. It's of just 150 gram. You can see it just weighs 150 gram. It's a very light and it's a foldable. So let's begin the unboxing. And if you're watching for the first time, I request you to please do subscribe my channel, and please do click on bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And for all my subscribers, I thank you everyone, where because of you I have reached 17,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and I expect the same support. Please do give me a feedback on the below comment section and let me know what's the best way I can improve my videos. So that's for now, and let's start the unboxing, guys. So let's begin the unboxing now. So here comes the headset. Let me just remove this. And here comes the box. And usually headset comes with a plastic box. Now we have got in the cotton box. And this is the headset itself. Let's remove the headset and see what's inside. And I see a card. This is the card which I've got from the boat, and there's nothing else with it. Let's keep this apart and let's open the cover, take the headset out, and let's see the quality of this. You can see, as I told you, it's foldable. You have to just twist it and open, and you can start using the headset. And coming to the quality, they have given a small spring over here, so you can see this, which avoids the headset damage. So it's a very good thing, and it's a metal jack, the complete set. It is not a gold plated, but still it's a very good one. It's a metal one, so no tension about breaking the headset by putting on your pocket or anything, your phone. So it's a very good one. It's a very flexible. And coming to the quality, it's a very good rubber. I can feel the quality. Usually some of the headset comes with a plastic cable, but this is not a plastic one. It's a rubber, where it is very good. And let me just open this and see the length. So you can see the length of this cable. It's very good, and you can just put it into your a laptop or a computer and you can listen to the music. It's very good. And it has the noise cancellation, I think. And you can see the complete headset. As I told you, it's a foldable. Either you can just, if you like to close it and keep it in your bag, this is the headset position. Just twist it and push it up, and you can just keep it in your bag. You can see the thickness once it is closed. It's very easy to carry, and you can just put it in your laptop bag or your pouch, and it's very easy to carry. So I'm gonna ask, because I'm not good at music, let me ask my friends to compare this headset with their headsets and make another review if possible. I'll make it in this week itself. And this was the quick unboxing of an boat headset. So we can see the serial number over here, the model, the is BassHeads 900, the model number. And hope this video was useful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching my video. And please do support me, please do subscribe if you're watching for the first time, and click on bell icon so you can get my notifications. And please help me in growing up, guys. Thank you so much.